Email Marketing Revolution. Video number 5. Email Designing and Copywriting Strategies. Let's look at the basic principles of powerful copywriting, including how to write from your customer's perspective, build trust, and craft a strong call to action. Copywriting is about getting into your customers' minds, figuring out what matters to them, and bridging the gap between their pain points and the solution your product provides. Number 1, make it about them. Try to look at the world from your customer's perspective and give them the perfect solution to their problem. Number 2, build rapport. Aim to create a conversational tone that makes your audience feel friendly. Number 3, keep it brief. Don't make your emails any longer than they need to be to convey the information or offer you're sending. Number 4, craft effective subject lines. Write subject lines that will spark readers' curiosity and make them click, like offering reward or opportunity, using unique and intriguing language to trigger emotion and a sense of urgency. Number 5, create a strong call to action. No matter what action you want your reader to take, you have to make it crystal clear. Number 6, optimize your sign-up process. After they've signed up, make sure to be clear about what they can expect to see from you to give your email the best chance of being open. Number 7, consider your audience. Once you know who is reading your emails and why, you can craft your content to address these pain points. Number 8, know your goals. It's important to know exactly why you're writing the email so you can deliver a clear call to action. Number 9, punch up your pre-headers. Always utilize pre-headers to give your contacts a more in-depth idea of what your message is about. Number 10, write body copy. Keep your emails brief and well spaced out to avoid overwhelm, and always use a conversational tone. Number 11, body closing, the key to success. A couple of sentences at the end of your message will make much of a difference in your mailing success. So be careful when you close out. Conclusion. Let the reader know exactly what they should do next, the benefit of taking that course of action, and how long they have to take it. Thank you. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next video.